Discover the best dash cams under $100 that offer clear video, easy setup, and essential safety features, perfect for protecting your drive on a budget. Automobile video camera. Starting at number 1. HPF 650 Full HD 1080p Dash Cam. The HPF 650 Full HD 1080p Dash Cam is a compact and budget-friendly car camera that delivers 1080p Full HD video with a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, capturing more of the road for added safety. It features a 2-inch LCD screen for easy viewing, a built-in G-sensor that automatically locks footage during impacts, and night vision for clear recording in low-light conditions. With loop recording, it continuously records even when the memory card fills up, and it starts recording automatically when your car is on. This dash cam offers essential features for everyday driving, providing reliable protection without breaking the bank. Number 2. Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dash Cam. The Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dash Cam is a compact but capable car camera that records full HD 1920 by 1080p video at 30 frames per second with a 160 degrees wide-angle lens to capture a broad view of the road. It offers super night vision for clearer images in low light, 24-hour parking mode with motion and collision detection, and loop recording so it keeps filming even when the memory card fills up. A built-in G-sensor locks important footage during impacts, and it supports up to a 256GB microSD card, sold separately, for extended storage. All these features make it a great budget dash cam option for everyday driving protection. Number 3. Rexing V1 4K Ultra HD Car Dash Cam. The Rexing V1 4K Ultra HD Car Dash Cam is a feature-rich dashboard camera that records crisp 4K Ultra HD video with a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens, helping capture more of the road ahead. It includes a 2.4 LCD screen, Wi-Fi connectivity to view and share recordings on your phone via an app, and a G-sensor that automatically locks important footage if a collision is detected. The camera also offers WDR, wide dynamic range, to improve picture balance in difficult lighting and loop recording that overwrites old files so you never run out of space. A built-in supercapacitor improves heat resistance and reliability, and parking monitor features can automatically record when vibration is sensed, with additional wiring. It supports microSD cards up to 256GB for plenty of storage. Number 4. Dash Cam for Cars 1080p FHD. The Dash Cam for Cars 1080p FHD is a straightforward and affordable dashboard camera that records 1080p Full HD video and captures a wide field of view, about 170 degrees, to cover more of the road. It includes features like Super Night Vision and WDR, wide dynamic range, to improve clarity in low light or high contrast conditions, loop recording so new footage replaces old when the storage fills up, parking monitor that can automatically record if motion or vibration is detected while parked, and a G-sensor that locks important clips during impacts. The 2.4-inch screen lets you review footage directly on the dash cam, making it easy to check recordings without a phone or computer. Number 5. 4K 3-channel Dash Cam Rear Cabin. The 4K 3-channel dash cam with Starvis 2 sensor is a high-quality multi-camera system that records 4K Ultra HD video from the front camera and 1080p or higher from the rear and interior cameras, giving you full coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. It typically includes advanced features like Wi-Fi 6 for fast smartphone connectivity, a G-sensor that locks important footage during impacts, loop recording to overwrite old files automatically, night vision for clear low-light footage, and 24-hour parking mode that can monitor your car while it's parked. Many models also include a 64GB memory card so you can start recording right away and support larger cards for extended storage. These features help capture detailed, reliable evidence of driving events, enhance security, and provide peace of mind on the road and when parked.